Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarambai bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Chief Minister inaugurates Rising Sun Waterfest 2022. Hubert Palyar decides to continue competing despite failure. Demand for ILP and to include Khasi language in the 8th schedule intensifies. And people of Bawagre in West Garo Hills urgently needs medical facilities. And other news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today, the 3rd of November 2022, inaugurated the 3 days Rising Sun Waterfest 2022 at Umyam Sports Complex. During the inaugural address, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, congratulating the organizers, said that a water festival of such magnitude is being organized in the state for the first time. He acclaimed that Meghalaya is blessed with abundant natural beauty in terms of its water bodies such as lakes, waterfalls and environmental beauty. Yet we have not been able to take full advantage of it as we are not allowing people to completely be part of it and also be able to create tourism opportunities out of it. He added that in spite of the challenges due to COVID-19, the government has tried to take advantage of such natural assets and create livelihood opportunities for the people of the state while ensuring that Meghalaya becomes one of the most preferred tourist destinations. He also mentioned that it is the endeavor of the government to make such events an international annual event. The Indian Army and the government of Meghalaya, as a part of Khelo India program, is organizing the rowing and sailing event for the first time. The event will witness participation from elite pan-India clubs. Various other attractions such as local cultural expo, food fest, art and craft exhibition along with water sports are some of the highlights of the Waterfest. Hubert Palyar, one of the state's armed wrestlers, is determined to compete internationally one more time despite the failure he occurred in Turkey due to the differences in the rules of the game from one country to another. He has decided to compete again in the coming games next year in Iran and Turkey. While speaking with media persons, he expressed his determination to carry forward through the interpretation of his wife as he is deaf and mute. He urged his fans to continue supporting him as he has decided to train harder and thoroughly prepare himself for the upcoming games. He also added that he has learned from the game that he lost and he has clear grounds to prepare better for more to come.
Kami mencoba ia kublai baik lah ia kita baik pelaya rabi mai kita beladap bayo balik cinta siapa international di kadang kecing susi hai bayi nak panggil kai bahama lembah kata kecing bakala kecing ihi bayi kumpra ikati kecotala di rakti kamade long ni idan kecing sitam lemla panus panlo kata-kata kan pengin kemilenti dengan kalaf tinggi kemilenti binyora di kecing bakala kecing i tempat tahi di orang kenapa ipat mak nanti pai tak berubah kinom sui kinom susi di ikan man berubah next year in the year ban let yang suara itu kecing jom di orang aku beli baru beli pun.
The alliance of 5 unions under the leadership of Hinyotrep Youth Council (HYC) on the 3rd of November 2022 met with the Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong to discuss on the pending of ILP and to include Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Regarding the demand for ILP, the state legislature has agreed to carry forward this demand to the union government for the fulfillment of such a demand for the citizens of Meghalaya. While speaking with media persons, Robert June Kharjaran, the president, asserted that this demand for ILP as well as the demand for Khasi language to be included in the 8th schedule is not a recent demand but has been introduced in the past before the existence of the MDA government. These demands to the union will continue to prevail even after the discontinuation of the MDA government.
Ban dawaya kini ki art ka ILP bat ka ketin kasi bat ulong ru ba lada di bu wat kin ailat ru ki sen balang sai sin benda kendu biang batu amit sya ha kapdi bat kini ki art di ki isu ka ILP bat ka ketin kasi Ti nakliang jong ipat ngila kerensai ba kat bom pat yo namar kam shamdi ke isu ki bang idang syukran tang mentah. Kam shamdi ke isu ki ba kadang sa dang mentah. Mereka ni ke di isu ke balarim. Tinggal ada kerensai ki ba ke jing dawa LP kala adai haswa ba ke MDA kan wan. But what da ka MLA ka kalakon na orang ni haban peteng bet jadi ki bat mentah orang ni haban peteng bet ban pressure ban penlong ye ki agitation persyak ya ka sarkar India ban penbor ya ka sarkar Meghalaya ban wanra ya taka jingyaki ka ba kham khor la bang aggressive approach kanang ba lesing gila ban penbor ya ka sarkar India bahkan aino ya kini jing dawa ban jing anu jongi ya ka LP ban ya ka ketin kasih hak karnet ka pra.
The Achek Holistic Awakening Movement, AHAM Bawagre, West Garo Hills, on behalf of the people of the area, submitted their petition to the Health Minister and Director of Health Services of the state for setting up new health centers in Bawagre, Negbapara and Uringre. The organization mentioned that in Bawagre area, which is under Rasamgre Civil Subdivision, West Garo Hills, have no health sub-center till now to meet the needs of the people of the area. While other parts of Garo Hills, people have been provided with sufficient health care and medicines. People in this area are depending entirely on wild herbs and medicinal plants for all their medical needs. Leaders of AHAM urged the health authorities of the state to urgently set up health sub-centers in the areas. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.